Hello guys, in this part we will make the player die when falling off or jumping over the screen. We will create a trigger area that detects the player. Let's start a new scene by adding an area to D node. Let's rename it to pick. We will use this node as the boundary. Add collision shape to D and set it to be a rectangle shape. Adjust the size of the collision shape node to be a little wider than the screen. Let's save the scene and after that add a new script to the area node. I will name it Pit. For now, let's delete all these. When a body enters or overlaps an area, the area will emit a signal. We could subscribe this signal to a function for a specific operation. For now, let's print some text to make sure the area can detect the player's body. Go back to the stage scene and add the newly made pit scene. Place the pit at the bottom of the screen. Let's test the scene. As you can see, when a player falls and touches the pit, it will trigger the signal to print the text. Let's duplicate the pit and place it on top of the screen. For the last touch, instead of printing some text, we will destroy the player, indicating the game is over. To do that, we use a queue-free function. There you go, our player character is destroyed when touching the boundaries. There is no player node in the hierarchy. In the next part, we will make the moving obstacle.